To close your swimming pool, what we like to do is we like to use Gizmos in our skimmers versus draining down the water beneath the skimmer. And we use threaded or rubber plugs for the eyeball return. First thing you're going to want to do, test the water, make sure it's balanced, get everything cleaned up on the inside as far as debris, leaves, maybe vacuum some algae out. Once that's cleaned up and you have your water balanced, good to go, you'll want to take a Gizmo, take your lid off, pull out your basket that's inside. On the bottom of the skimmer, the port that leads to the plumbing is threaded, so is the Gizmo. A little bit of Teflon tape around the Gizmo, screw it into the skimmer. This will keep the skimmer from freezing and cracking because the Gizmo will take the expansion of the ice that may build up inside of it. Same thing on the eyeball. You'll take out the return jet here, put in your threaded plug or your rubber plug, keeps the water from going into the plumbing. Once you have those ports plugged up, come over here to your unions, break them loose, take the O-rings out. Same thing on the pump side. Break the unions loose, take the O-rings out, disconnect the screws from the pump. Whatever you take off as far as eyeball, O-rings or anything, we like to unscrew the lid, keep everything inside of the pump basket so nothing gets lost by the time you're ready to open for the next season. We always advise putting the pool pump inside of a shed, in a storage box, or maybe in the garage somewhere. Also, don't forget to take off the drain plug on the bottom of your filter. This will allow all the water to drain out of the filter tank so nothing is left inside that can freeze and damage the filter over the winter. Also, once you get done with doing everything else, set the multiport valve on Winterize and leave it on that setting all winter long so nothing freezing inside the multiport valve as well. Once you have all the equipment winterized, the next step is going to be putting a cover on the pool. Cover is a thicker version of maybe a tarp material. It's held together by a metal cable and a cable winch. You'll toss the cover onto the pool, make sure it sits fairly well around the posts and the ledges. Grab that cable where they meet, get them on the winch, tighten it down to where you have a good grip around the pool, and that should keep the cover staying on your pool all winter long.